Good evening, Hakology. This evening I thought I'd just give you a quick description of the code, what's going on, what I'm using. Basically I'm using Python with Pygame to generate the stuff that you're seeing on the screen. I'm just playing about making screensavers and practicing drawing primitives and optimizing some of my graphics programming. So at the moment I'm just messing about with Pygame. I know it's not the best, it's not the best platform or the best language or to be doing game programming, but there's a lot of people that use Python. There's a lot of people that've got Raspberry Pis, and there are a lot of people that are just starting to pick up programming because of Python. So anyway, the screensaver, before the demo runs out, I'm just going to talk you through it. Basically, Pygame opens a brand new window, loads it full screen and hides the mouse. Then we divide the screen up into 16 by 10 because my laptop's 16 by 10 resolution, and we basically divide the width and the height by 16 by 10. We set two arrays, one called cubes and one called target cubes, called T cubes. We then calculate how many cubes are going to be drawn on the screen from the divisions that are made, and we populate the arrays with random colour data to begin with. Then we go down, we set up a few more system variables, we enter a loop, we check for key presses. If any key is pressed, we exit out of the screensaver. We then loop through each individual square and we check the colour. And we check the current colour and we check the target colour. And if the current colour or the target colour doesn't match, then we move towards that colour value by 1. And every step that the screensaver takes, the colours move towards their target value by 1. This is then drawn to the screen. The value is then updated in the cubes array as well, so that when the next step occurs, it will move another step closer towards the target colour. So if the colours match when it's looping through the array as well, so say if the cubes array matches the target array, then basically we need to assign more colours. So then, depending on what colour mode the software is running in, it will choose a predetermined restricted colour range or a predetermined colour palette to display to the screen. Now currently there's 18 colour modes, the first one being random, then we've got yellow, blue, red, cyan, green, magenta, random green, random blue, random red, then we've got random magenta, random yellow, random cyan, and then we've got random grey, random RGB, so that'll just do a red, green and a blue square. We've got some orange colours, red colours, green colours, blue colours, cyan colours, golden colours, which the palette doesn't work very well, a purple palette, and the last palette is just a custom palette that I googled quickly off the internet to get some custom RGBs working. And then basically towards the end of the video it steps around. If it passes frame 1000, it advances to the next colour mode, and then basically just checks and says if the colour mode's greater than 19, then set the colour mode to 0, so go back to the start of the sequence. And every time the sequence loops, it adds one to the frame, and then finally we flip the screen, which basically writes out the buffer to the display and displays it to the user, and then we start the whole process again. That has been the screensaver code in an absolute nutshell. I'll probably take a more detailed analysis when I get time to show you some more code, but you've been watching Hakology. Don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, share, all that business. Hopefully guys, I'll be posting a few more videos soon. So I've got lots and lots of projects. I just have very little time to post everything to the blog and to the main channel, but as soon as I get some more free time, hopefully the videos will start coming. Cool, I'll catch you soon. Have fun hacking, and peace.